How you guys doing? I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, and we are Fast Lane Classic Cars. Take it away, Jake.
Heck yeah. 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. St. Charles, Missouri is where we're located. I'm going to put the phone number above Stabile's head. There it is. Write it down. Remember us. Call us about this sweet 442 or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given point. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make stuff. And also, we like to see your comments. So comment on these videos. We read them. I read them. Chris doesn't read them.
I don't want to read them. But hey, this is a 1971 442 W-30. This is a 455 cubic inch engine with numbers matching M22 Muncie 4-speed. This is called Saturn Gold. I did not know that Saturn was gold. I thought it was kind of a greenish planet. But anyway, it's got the black racing stripes, cool layer induction, Magnum 500 wheels with Goodyear Polyglas tires. Let's see, Hurst shifter, AM, FM, wood grain interior, heavy duty suspension. It's a beautiful frame-off restoration, and it is absolutely gorgeous.
It's also got the red fender liners, which is a really cool addition to this car.
Oh,
I think they look sweet.
Here.
On
Very
the front
nice
there.
Interior, beautiful car. Did you look at the trunk? You probably already
I have
did.
looked in there, but we can look in there.
Let's look in there.
Let's pop that bad boy open. It's a big trunk.
Oh, wow. Is it a big trunk?
You got the full-size spare back here with the Polyglas.
You gotta love them.
Full set of floor mats here. You have the trunk mat over everything, but I mean the trunk underneath the mat, as you can see, is really nice. Nicely coated in there. All solid. You got the stickers on the bottom of the trunk lid too. And it closes nicely. Very nice.
Oh, it's solid.
Man, this gold color is sweet.
It is very sweet. It's Saturn Gold.
Saturn Gold.
And the interior is, well, it's brown. But I like it.
I think
very
with the
71.
gold, the brown goes really well. It is very 70s.
Very 70s.
You can't tell in the Hurst shifter's cool. It is a 70s car.
So, how about we start it up and take it for a little spin there, Jake the Snake?
Sounds good.
Let's do it.
Door closed.
You should. First things first, see the RPM gauge with the working clock?
Nice. Hit the gas pedal. Let me see it move. Oh, look at that.
Isn't that nice?
And then you got the mileage there, which is what, 79,000 it says?
Yeah, that's what it says.
And you got your temp and stuff.
Yeah.
Way over on the other side, your wipers are down there on that switch, and then your lights.
Lights.
All the way over. We do have a heater.
We do have a heater.
We don't have AC, I don't think.
Nope.
But we have a fan and a heater, which is really all you need. It's really nice out today. It's only like 70 something, so.
Isn't it gorgeous?
We don't need to be cooled off.
Nope. We have 2 windows down. We'll be set to go.
You also got the radio here in the middle. Old school looking radio. Glove box here on the end, which opens somehow. There we go. Oh, you got more stickerage in here. And a button for the trunk.
Get out of the city.
You have an electric button for the trunk. That is awesome.
Honestly, I didn't know it came like that.
I didn't either. That's pretty cool.
Well, that's crazy.
I like all the wood grain. It's classic.
It's very 70s. I like it a lot.
Got a nice headliner. Very cool.
Nice.
Blinker works. Nice.
Shift's nice. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, there's our camera.
Yeah, I got the GoPro in a little bit different of a spot today. See, this was a Muncie 4-speed?
It is.
I love the gear whine that you hear.
You do hear that. It's very nice.
It's very cool. It sounds like a race car.
Oh, wow. You got power galore.
It's a fast car. That is also true.
Oh, yeah. I'm barely giving it anything. Close ratio shifter. Love it. Oh,
where are the rear gears in this?
373, 12 bolts. You gotta love that. Oh, that shift's nice.
Buttery smooth.
Is that purple? That's not purple. Oh, this is. It's buttery smooth.
Oh, we got a horn.
And a nice horn.
And We got big back seats for real people.
Real people.
You can fit adults back there if you wanted to.
Adult-sized people that like to overeat, they can fit back there, no problem.
Because it's the 70s and they actually put back seats in their cars.
They sure did, and especially a car like this. Full size.
Oh yeah. This thing is cool looking.
Drives nice, straight.
Track straight, drives
Very
nice.
I love it.
What's our brake situation?
Let's find out. Oh,
Ooh.
they're good. Brake straight, man. That's nice. Oh, this is nice. I love an Oldsmobile. We had a couple on our day. 55 miles an hour, you're pulling about 4,500 RPM. That's not bad.
Is it
373
that
gears.
wasn't that high. Go back in the fourth. Oh yeah, about 4,500.
Yeah. I wouldn't lie to you.
They're pretty short gears. But,
Well,
I mean,
yes.
this thing isn't really made for cruising at 80 on the highway. It's for going fast in a straight line and a quarter mile.
Straight line.
Quarter mile speeds is what you're looking for.
Damn right we are.
Oh, and you have an AM and an FM because you switched this little
Little doohickey.
doohickey
That's
here.
cool.
And it rolls back and forth between the AM and FM stations. I just noticed that. That's pretty cool.
It's very cool. This is a cool car. And it's gold.
And you got a fader for the speakers there.
Get out of the city.
And you can switch it between voice, music, and bass. I guess that's like the treble and stuff.
Well, well, well.
Dial here.
You gotta love that dial. Run up to the old stop sign. Run
Yeah,
up to the
we're
old
almost-
stop. Of course.
We're almost at our stop sign for an old-fashioned bean test.
Just gonna get it up the old 35 mile per hour.
See how many beans we have.
Oh, Lord.
Oh my gosh!
Didn't expect it to have that many, did you?
Yeah, that was.
You get to 35 pretty quick.
Yeah, that was just 35.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious!
Yeah, it's a
I
goodness
didn't think it was going to keep pulling that hard in third.
And I'm not, listen, and I'm not even near the floor.
Man.
Because I'm not afraid per se, but you gotta be nice and gentle with this.
Yeah, these are old cars.
These are not for, this isn't my car either. I'm just borrowing it.
But I mean, as soon as you buy it, you can do whatever you want to it.
Yeah, you could just
And it
run
could probably take a good foot to the floor action.
Oh,
Goodness, that was fast.
I hope you like tires.
Ready to do
You're
some
gonna be buying
flybys?
some.
You're ready to do some flybys?
Yes, I am.
Well, this car really, it needs to be driven. It definitely needs to be driven. By God, this is fast. I mean, see how far I went past where I was
Yeah,
supposed to turn?
it looks like a heck of a lot of fun.
Oh, it's a joy to drive. I can't wait for you to drive it.
Let's go back.
Let's do it.